What is up, friends? It's me, your boy Eric, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing something with a 370z today. We're gonna be doing test fitting with my new front bumper. Let's go. Of course it has to be windy every single time I want to do a vlog. You know, it's just very normal here at Southern Alberta. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Let's do a test fitting. But first we're gonna do an unboxing of my new front bumper. Let's go. I gotta keep this because I still have to bring it to the shop to get it painted, so I don't want it flying to Medicine Hat because it's so damn windy. I need two hands. I know you're gonna be disappointed. For some of you, this guy has been waiting for Z content for so long, but here it is. I got a V2 Nismo front bumper. God, it's not even summer yet and it's already hot. I'm sweating like a pig. Let's back up a little bit. Back in 2019, I've always wanted to get a veil side kit for the 370Z. You know, the more I look at it, it's just, I don't know, it just doesn't appeal to me anymore. Price tag on that one is a little too high. So I need to keep this build a little bit in the budget, okay? So since veil side kit is off the list, I gotta keep looking for new aftermarket support. I just realized there's not a whole lot of aftermarket support for bumpers. It's kind of ridiculous. You can probably even count how many aftermarket brands out there that actually does 370Z bumpers, like with one hand, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I kept looking. For me, Amuse is a little too blobby, a little too exotic to my taste. I'm kind of aiming for a low profile type of look. So yeah, I ended up doing one thing that a bunch of Nismo owners hate so much. If you're running a Nismo kit on your base or sport 370Z, you're gonna get flamed for sure. You're gonna get called Fismo because it's a fake Nismo. But you know what? I found a perfect front lip for this specific bumper, so I had to just jump right in and get it. You know what's funny? I got the front lip first and then the bumper. That's how crazy it was. All right, enough talking. Let's just test fit the damn thing. I'm not gonna show you how to remove the front bumper and put it back on because I'm gonna probably revisit that when I actually get the bumper painted and installed and whatnot. I actually thought that there's gonna be a whole lot of those and then I realized I tried fixing one of my headlights last year because it wasn't working, so good thing I only put 2 of the bolts. The bad news is I don't know where the rest of those bolts are. Anyways, let's go back to it. So it's basically the same layout for the base front bumper. I don't believe there's additional brackets needed, but if there is any problems or missing parts, we'll definitely get them on Nissan. So all right, so now we're going to slap this front bumper right in there and see how it looks like for the first time. Let's go. Oh yes. Okay, let's just put this down. Oh dear Lord. Oh good. Yes. That's very beautiful. Very beautiful. You can never go wrong with an OEM part, you know? No, you can't. So if you want hassle-free front bumper, you know, go to OEM. I'm not saying it's a bad thing that, you know, you're a Fismo owner, but as long as you don't up badge, please don't up badge. DRLs, holy hell. If you own a 370Z, DRLs are so freaking expensive. And I'm not really planning on getting DRLs anyway, so I'll probably DIY the shit out of it. We have this part, obviously, so these are that. I have a headache already. God, I think I need water. It's so hot, it's so windy. I'm irritated. It's packaged so well. Okay, let's open everything. Give me a sec. The fitment is perfect, immaculate. I love it. I love it. I can't wait for it to go through the body shop to get it painted. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ugh. So, but first, before we send it to the body shop, I will have to fill out these holes, get an impression of this. You'll see why. You'll see why. Alright, so if you like this video, guys, hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, because there is going to be more of this. There's going to be more DIY content and vlogs for sure for the 370Z this summer. Hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you get notified when I'm going to be releasing new videos. Alright? Take it easy, folks.